Homemade facial mud mask. You don't have to go to an expensive spa to get a good facial mud mask. Make your own at home. Well, we are not talking about the real mud here, but about cosmetic clays, which look like mud when mixed with water. There are various types of those clays that you can use to make your facial mask. 1. Bentonite clay is very popular and has great detox properties. Mask made with bentonite clay will remove impurities, toxins, and even heavy metals from your face. 2. Rhassoul clay can be used for face, hair, and even for the whole body in a form of mud baths. It is not only amazing cleansing clay, but it also nourishes your skin with multiple minerals and nutrients. 3. White kaolin clay is very soft, and therefore can be effectively used to calm and soothe sensitive or irritated skin. 4. French green clay has its color due to the presence of plant material that has been recycled by nature for many years before getting into the earth, and because of this, it is rich in various beneficial nutrients. 5. Multani mitti comes from India, and is also known as fuller's earth. This type of clay is quite gentle, and can be used for hair and body cleansing, as well as skin detoxification. Homemade facial mud mask recipe. Take a mixing bowl, and add in it 2 tablespoons of any clay you want. Then add 1 tablespoon of cooled aloe vera gel, and 1/2 teaspoon of argan oil, and mix everything to get a paste. Now, while stirring the mixture, start slowly adding 1.5 tablespoon of cooled green tea. At the end, add 3 drops of geranium essential oil and stir again. How to use the mask. Apply the mask onto your clean face and neck, and leave it there for 15 minutes. Once the time is up, splash your skin with warm water, and remove the mask gently with a washcloth. Alternatively, you can simply wash it off in the shower.